morning everyone. So I hope all my dear little learners are fine and well at home and enjoying their classes also. Till now we have been doing different activities related to summer, and I guess you all must have enjoyed eating a lot of watermelons, drinking a lot of lemonade, which we did in the previous week, isn't it? So today let's have a quick revision of what you have been doing in your maths. आप लोगों ने maths में countings learn कर रहे हैं, and I suppose that by now you all have learned writing numbers up till 5 or 6, isn't it? So today in your fun sheet book we are going to do revision of countings, but in a very different as well as fun-filled way. So our today's topic of discussion and learning is count and match. करना क्या है? First of all, you have to count the object. Just understand your topic. First, we need to understand the meaning of our topic. So, what is the meaning of our topic? The meaning of our topic is count and match, isn't it? So, the meaning of word count. Count means जब हम किसी चीज को गिनते हैं. For example, I have some chalks with me, isn't it? And there are many. अब हम इन्हें count करेंगे. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. तो जब आपको same objects दिए जाते हैं and it is said to count 1, 2, 3, one by one, we keep on counting them. Like very easy, we count our fingers, isn't it? So all of you just count how many fingers you have. Close your fist and start doing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Isn't it? So this is how we count things one by one. And then match. अब match कैसे करते हैं? That you are given similar objects on both the sides, but जो उनका order होता है वो गलत होता है. For example, just see at the board here. I have 1, 2 flowers. So what I'm going to do? I write 2 here for this. First we have to count. Let's do as it is said. First we have to count. ठीक है? तो हमने क्या किया? We have counted the flowers and we have written the number here. Now, what is this? It's a sun. Bright, shining sun. How many sun we have? Count it. 1. Very good. So, I am going to write 1 here. Okay. Now, moving to the next side. अब ये देखिए. This is side. This is one side and this is the other side. एक right hand side हो गया, एक left hand side. We have 2 sides, isn't it? So now, if you will see, this is your ma'am's right hand side. ma'am का right hand side है. हमने वहाँ पे objects को count कर लिया. Now, we are going to count the objects on this side. Count करना है सबसे पहले. So this is a cloud, isn't it? Badal. Yes. So how many clouds we have? 1. So what I'm going to do in this box, I'll write 1. Now, what are these? Tree. क्या है ये? पेड़ है, trees है. And how many? 1, 2. So we have 2 trees. So let's write that here now. 2. Now what is that? हमने इनको काउंट कर लिया है, isn't it? 2 flowers, 1 sun, then 1 cloud and 2 trees. यानी कि हमारा जो काउंट वाला वर्क था वो फिनिश हो गया है. Now what is the second work we have to do? We have to now match. Match होता है जब हम 2 सिमिलर चीजों को एक दूसरे से मिलाते हैं. Clear? See now. अब आप ये बताइए, what is this? 2. 2 flowers. अब बताइए दूसरी साइड पे 2 कहाँ है? 2 tree है हमारे पास. Yes. So here we have 2 flowers and here we have 2 trees. So अब ये दोनों सेम हो गए ना, बिकॉज यहाँ पे भी 2 है, यहाँ पे भी 2 है. So you will match them like this. Clear? Same. One sun, one cloud. तो 1 से 1 सेम हो गया ना, वो भी 1 है, ये भी 1 है. So we will match it like this. So this is called count and match. सबसे पहले क्या किया हमने? ऑब्जेक्ट्स को, जो भी गिवन ऑब्जेक्ट्स हैं, हमने उनको काउंट किया. We have first counted them. Done. And after counting the objects, हमने क्या किया? We have to do match. जो similar numbers हैं, because this is your maths work, तो जो same numbers हैं, 1 से 1 को match किया, 2 से 2 को match किया. As it is, 3 से 3, 4 से 4, जितने भी ऑब्जेक्ट्स दिए जाते हैं, हम उनको आपस में मैच करते हैं like this. Clear everyone? So let's move towards the book and see. Book में यही topic है but with other numbers. So let's see how to do that. So in your fun sheet book, you are going to open book page number 13. Okay? So let me write book page number 13. So when you will open your fun sheet book, on page number 13, you will find the topic count and match. So open it and let's start doing the work in it. Okay class? So class, now when you will open your fun sheet book on page number 13, you will find the topic count and match. Clear? So first thing, we are going to write today's date. So the date is 11th May 2021, and then you will write classwork like this. Okay? Now count and match and then write the following. Now let's first count how many bees we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 6 bees. You can write 6 here like this. Okay? Make a small box and write 6. Now we have 1, 2. 2 dogs. So what we will do, we will write our number 2. Then we have frogs. So how many frogs we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. So just write your number 4 here. Now let's count how many trees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here you will write 5. Understood? So the numbers we have is 6, 2, 4, 5. Now on the other side, we are going to count these objects and write the number in these circles. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 4 stones. 4. Now next, how many flowers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So let's write 6 here. Now 1, 2. 2 bones. It's already written here. And here how many leaves? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 5 leaves. Clear? What we have done? We have numbers on both the sides. So count work is done. As I told you, first thing we have to count. Count kar diya and we have written the numbers. Now it's time to match. Clear? So what is this 6? Now where 6 is written here? With flowers. So what you will do for matching work, you are going to take your colors. Like Let's take yellow color. Taking yellow color, we are going to match this 6 with this 6 flowers. Clear? Now why we have 6 bees and 6 flowers? You know, these are honey bees. कौन है ये? Honey bees. और honey bee क्या करते हैं? They make honey. और honey कैसे बनता है? You know that? From the juices of flowers. तो ये 6 honey bees in 6 flowers का juices इकट्ठा करेंगे. Okay? Now we have 2 dogs and 2 bones. Why? Because dogs, they love to have bones with them. Yes. So we have, they have already matched. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 frogs. 4. So these are not stones actually. These are big leaves. The one that float on water, and the frogs, they sit on them. Clear? So again 4 frogs and 4 big leaves for them to sit. Now we are going to take a different color and we are going to match these frogs with leaves like this. Understood? And last we have 5 trees, 5 leaves. So we are going to match them together using a different color. You can take any of your choice. Okay, let's take orange and we will match like this. Now, this is the matching work. Now to make your work look more beautiful, what we are going to do? We are going to color all these objects. Okay, so let's start coloring them. First is this leaf. So I am going to color it using green color. Like this. And whenever you are doing colors, make sure the color should not come out of the boundaries. Is that clear to everyone? Now we have flowers. So you can use different colors for flowers. I am using this color here. Because flowers can be of many colors. आपको अलग अलग कलर करना है. You can use different colors. If you want to use only one, you can take one color. Like this, you will color the pictures. Then we have bones. So bones will be little green color. Let's put this skin color. And then again we have leaves. Leaves are green in color. So let's do green color on them. So like this you will color all the pictures. जब book colorful होती है तो कितनी pretty लगती है ना? So you are going to color all the pictures like this. Done? So I have told you coloring the one side. अब आप compare करो. See, this one is looking more beautiful with lot of colors. Now you have to color these also and matching like this. And this is how you are going to complete your today's work of fun sheet. Is that clear? So class, I hope that you have understood how we do the work of the topic count and write, where we count the given objects, write their number, and after that when this work is done on both the sides, right hand side and left hand side, उसके बाद हम क्या करते हैं? We match similar numbers. Is that clear to everyone? So this is one way of doing revision of your numbers. Okay. So now you have to finish your work as ma'am has shown you, and after finishing don't forget to share your work with me today itself. Okay. Bye for now. Enjoy your learning, and yes, while doing the colors, please make sure you are using different colors and coloring just within the boundaries, within the given object. लाइन से बाहर नहीं जाना. Okay? Bye. Take care. Meet you soon with something new on Thursday. Bye-bye.